Hi folks, good day from Ireland. Jonathan Powers is my name. I was talking to one of the guys there on YouTube yesterday, and he was inquiring about using PODS with the GeneratePress Wordpress theme, and he couldn't get the fields to display on the front end. So I said I'd just make a quick short tutorial going through it and just testing it to make sure it's working. But as far as I know, it's compatible and everything, so we'll just take a quick walk through creating some simple fields and getting them to display on the front. So I'm using the Beaver Builder page builder. I'm using the Beaver Themer Add-On. I'm using the GeneratePress theme. I'm using the PODS plugin, and I'm using the PODS Beaver Themer Add-On, which is relatively new. The guys are very active there with support and everything, and it's getting really great reviews and everything, you know, so it's really good. You'll need all of these to complete the tutorial, otherwise it won't work. So we'll get started then. We'll create our first pod. And Greg there was saying he created a text field, an image field, and a date field that he couldn't get working, so that's what we're going to replicate. Full name. That'll be our text field. And we want the gallery. So we want to go down to file, image, video. What's important here is to go into additional field options. If it's more than one image, set it there, and we can actually set the amount of images here. So we'll say 5. We'll save that. Oh sugar, I did that the wrong way around. Just go gallery again. There we are, description. Just there are multiple files. 5. I should have saved it there. Gallery, and we want a date field as well. Date. So there we go. Description. Want to go down. Just date, and we get loads of different formatting options here. In Ireland it's the reverse of America, we get the day first. So there we go. Add field, save our pod, go over to photographers now, add new, call it testing there. Get rid of that. Yeah, our fields are here at the bottom. Just have some Lorem Ipsum sample text put in for our content. Yeah, I just noticed something I need to check. Full name, add file. That was there. The date. Today must be 24th of June it is. So that's there. So we've no featured image. I want to go back down to my pod and select the featured image. It's under advanced options, I bet, down at the, oh no, it's at menu UI. Where is it now? The labels, no. There it is, featured image. It's under advanced options, save pod. Then when I go back to my photography's pod, I want to edit it. There should be featured image over here on the right now. Yes, it wasn't there before, you see. So I want to put my profile picture there, and then we'll update that. So we want to connect our fields now, because when we go to the front, it won't show all the data. We have our featured image, our title, our content, but the full name and the 5 gallery images and the date aren't showing. So we need to go into Builder now, theme layouts, add new. I'll just call it testing. Theme layout, it'll be singular. Now the location will be down at the bottom. The name of the pod that we created, photographer. It'll be on all of them, so you can be quite specific there with your location rules. We want to go into our page builder now. You want to make sure the preview in the top left here is on the correct page, because if that's not on the correct page, when you go to connect your fields, they won't show up. So I'll just get these out here now. So I'm just going to, what else is here? I'll just go a few modules there, but what must be loaded. But anyway, so we'll go into our basic modules, HTML, and then click the little plus button, and our pod will be down at the bottom, field or related, and you see they're all there now. So the full name, save, and save, and it's auto populating there. So our next one, next one is the gallery. Go down to gallery, photos, the plus icon, because it's an image pod and we're using the gallery module. That's why gallery is the only one that's showing up, that it'll recognize that it's an image field. That's auto populating there, the 5 images. And then we just want the date now that this was created. Add content, basic modules, HTML. Just put the date down here under that. Date, save. It should auto populate there. So that's it. Done. So that's our singular custom post type done with pods. So when you go back to photographers, add new, and so when you put the data in here and your images and everything again, you'll have another post similar to this. So that's our featured image in the background, remember, from down there. And then our title, our paragraph content, the full name, the 5 images for gallery, and the date. So that's it, folks. Hope you enjoyed the little walkthrough and everything's clear, whatever. That's super. Thanks very much. Bye for now.